Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove a formula in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So you can see these cells contain a formula of sums. So you can see all these cells contain a formula of sums. So if I want to remove the formula from these cells, so how can I do? So firstly, select the cells which contain the formula. So after that, click the right side of mouse, and here you can see copy option, so just click on it, and then select the cells where you want to copy these values. So after that, click the right side of mouse, and here you can see paste special options. So when you will click on it, and here you can see paste values, so select first ones. So you can see the values are copied. So when you will click on any values, so you can see it contain no any formula. So but when you will click on these values, you can see it contain a formula. So guys, in this way you can remove a formula in the Excel. So if you want to remove formula from the whole sheet, so just select the sheet. So after that, click the right side of mouse, and here you can see copy option, so just click on it. So after that, again click the right side of mouse, and then again click on paste special, and then click on paste copy. So when you will click on paste values, so you can see these values do not contain any formula. So guys, in this way you can remove formula from the entire sheet. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.